Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 10 assignment of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So guys, for the past 5 years we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses. So I tried my best to give you the most probable solutions guys. If you found any solution to be made, please give your opinion in the comment section. And if I get to know about any changes, I will update in the comment section guys. So please watch the video till the end without skipping. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends and classmates guys. Let's see the first question. In the Joe's first problem, a group of soldiers forms a circle and every soldier is eliminated until only one remains. What would be the output of the following code? So for first question, the answer is second option guys, 14. So the output of for this question is 14th question. 14th is the answer. That is second option. Next, moving on to the second question guys. Second one. Second one. What is the purpose of the lower and upper methods in Python when applied to strings? So for second question, the answer is first option. Lower converts a string to all lowercase letters while upper method converts a string to all uppercase letters. So first option is the probable solution for second question. Next, moving on to the third one. So before getting to know this solution, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course The Joy of Computing Using Python with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected the previous year's questions guys. You'll get that in a PDF Google Drive link. So here you'll get 125 MCQs guys. 125 MCQs and the price will be 250 rupees guys. So the validity will be till the exam day. If one person takes with 250 rupees, 2 members can use that guys. Up to 2 members can use that. So if anyone is doing the same course along with you, then you can team up with that person and you can take this pack guys. Even if you are one person, no problem, you can take this. So 125 MCQs, 250 rupees guys. So up to 2 members can use that. So such option is also available guys. And it is also easy to revise because there is a search option provided in a PDF. So you can easily search any question you want, easily revise that. So it will be very much helpful for the preparation for the final exam guys. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase, this is the mail ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So I will give the same email ID in the description box as well. So 125 MCQs, 250 rupees guys. So only mail me if you want, if you are confirmed for purchase. For any other doubts, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section itself. So this is the mail ID guys. So already many students have taken our pack guys. So start preparing from now itself and practice now itself with our PDF MCQs. So now let's get back to the solutions. So third question, what will be the output of the code snippet provided above? So for the third question, the answer is first option guys, orange, banana, cherry, orange and date. So first option. Next, fourth question guys. Slicing in lists works in the same manner as slicing in strings. If P is non-empty list of length n, we wish to create a list Q that has the first n-1 elements in P. Select the correct implementation or implementations of this program. So for the fourth question, so first option is correct, second is also correct, third as well, and finally fourth option. So all these options are probable solutions for fourth question guys. Next, fifth one. Select all correct options about the matrix given below. So for the fifth question, first one, second and third. So these three are the probable solutions that I have got guys. Next, sixth question. L is a non-empty list of integers and X is an integer. So they are asking if the value of count is 10 at the end of the execution of code, line 6 they have mentioned, right? Then which of the following statements are true, guys? So for sixth question, I have got three options as well, like fifth question. First one, third and fourth options, leaving the second option, and remaining three options are the probable solutions that I have got. Next, seventh question, guys. If flag is true at the end of execution of the code given above, that means this one, guys. So the same code for both seventh and eighth questions. So if flag is true at the end of execution of the code given above, which of the following statements are true? So for seventh question, I have got two solutions. The first one is first option and the other one is third option. So these two are the probable solution options that I have got, guys. Next, eighth one. Assume the L is a list of first 10 positive integers. So what will be the under what conditions will the variable flag be true at the end of the execution of the code given below? So for eighth question, the probable solution is option A, guys. N is an odd integer, right? Next, ninth question. Which numpy function is used to create a matrix of a specified shape with random values between 0 and 1? So for ninth question, the probable answer is third option, np.random.rand. Third option. Next, 10th and final question of this assignment, guys. The correct implementation of a program that creates a text file. Program that creates a text file named pattern.txt with the following contents. So this is the content, guys. So this is the list of content. So which of the following options, that means they have given a code in each option. So which is the correct code for that? So before getting to know this solution, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we have collected the previous year's MCQs. So for the course, the joy of computing using Python. So you'll get a huge number of 125 MCQs and the price is 250 rupees, guys. Up to 2 members can access. So such option is also available. You can search any question you want, and it is also easy to revise. Even going to the examination hall also, you can easily revise that, guys. So 125 MCQs, 250 rupees, guys. So this is my mail ID. If you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. So bk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box and in the comment section also, guys, as well. So purchase this pack and practice these questions, guys. It will help you in the preparation for the final exam, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the last solution as well. So 10th question. So for 10th and final question, I have got third option, guys. Oh, this is the third option, this one, guys. So that's option 3, guys, third option. So that is the summary regarding week 10 assignment of Python, the joy of computing using Python course, guys. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share that with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to take this PDF pack, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.